Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today's I will solve question answer of this lesson. This lesson name is Natural Calamities, chapter 13 in science, class 5. First of all, I will solve some question in book. Let's start now. Multiple choice question. First, floods usually happen during the rainy season. Second, floods can be controlled by all of this. Third, wind erosion of soil increases during answer drought. Fourth, during an earthquake you should take shelter. Answer in an open space. 5. Earthquakes mostly happen near a fault in the earth crust. 6. Which of these will cause a tsunami? Answer all of these. 2 question. 2 put for 2 right for true and cross for false. A disease are likely to break out after flood. True. B. Cyclone occur near the sea only. False. Sea only farmers are affected by the drought. False. D. Earthquakes of all intensity cause damage. True. E. It is safe to enter your house just after an earthquake is over. False. Fill in the blanks. Very strong wind, very heavy rain is coastal areas in called a cyclone. B. An earthquake is a natural calamity. C. In a certain place in Rajasthan there was no rain for a full year. The area suffered from a natural calamity called drought. D. Crack in the earth crust where earthquakes normally occur are called faults. E. Modern buildings designed in such a way that they do not collapse in an earthquakes are said to be earthquake proof. F. The study of earthquakes is called seismology. G. The intensity of an earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. Okay student, I will solve some question in book. After that question answer in notebook. Natural calamities. First, what is a natural calamity? Natural calamities, also known as natural disaster, are occurrences in nature that can cause harm to both living beings and property on earth. 5. Give 2 reasons why floods occur. Answer. Flood occur because of the following reasons. First, flood may be caused by the collapse of a dam built over a river. Heavy rainfall also causes floods. Second, sometimes floods may also occur due to the melting of large amount of snow on the mountain due to hot summer. 5. Why does a cyclone lead to flooding? Answer. In coastal areas, flooding is often caused by cyclones. A cyclone is a very strong wind with very heavy rain. The strong wind causes high waves called tidal tidal waves tidal waves in the sea, which leads to flooding during monsoon season due to heavy rain. There is so much water in the river that some rivers rise above their banks. The water then flows nearby land, causing floods. 7. Why is a good weather forecasting system important for reducing the damage due to floods? Answer. A good weather forecasting system is essential for reducing the damage due to floods as it gives gives warning about floods and cyclones in advance. Advance warning to the people through TV, radio, or newspaper helps them to move to safer places in time. They can also take their animals and belonging with them. 8. In what ways does a drought affect all us? Answer. The most negative impact of drought for humans include crop failure, floods, crises, famine, malnutrition, and poverty, which lead to loss of life and mass migration of people. 9. What steps should we take to reduce the effect of drought? Answer. Some of the measures that can be taken to control or reduce the problem of drought are listed below. First, desalination of water. Second, rainwater harvesting. Third, drip irrigation. 4. Harvesting water from air. 5. Genetic, genetically modified crops. 6. Plant more trees. 7. Recycle organic waste. 10. Why do earthquakes occur? Answer. When the stress on the edge overcomes the friction, there is an earthquake that releases energy in waves that travel through the earth's crust and cause the shaking that we feel. 11. What should you do when there is an earthquake? Answer. If you are outside, if you are indoor, stand against a wall near the center of the building, stand in the doorway or crawl under heavy furniture, a desk or table. Stay away from windows and outside doors. If you are outdoors, stay in the open, away from the power lines or anything that might fall. 12. What is a tsunami? What is it caused by? Answer. Tsunami is waves caused by a sudden movement of the ocean surface due to earthquakes, landslides on the seafloor, land slumping into the ocean, large volcanic eruptions, or meteorite impact in the ocean. Impact in the ocean. Think and answer. First, there is storage of drinking water during a flood, even though there is water all around. Why? Answer. During floods, the water will be everywhere around us. That water is not suitable to drink because it contains all the dirt particles dissolved in it. Drinking of this water causes disease, therefore, we cannot drink that water. Second, an earthquake of intensity 2 in 10 times more powerful than an earthquake of intensity 3, and an earthquake of intensity 3 in 10 more powerful than one of intensity 2. This is how to Richter scale works. How many times powerful is an earthquake of intensity 5 then on one of intensity 13? Answer. Answer. From the above information given in the question, we can say that the earthquakes of intensity 5 is 14 times greater than one of intensity 1. The study of earthquakes is called seismology. Instrument called seismographs records the shaking of the land. 3. There is outbreak of disease after a flood due to unhygienic condition. Why do you think there is outbreak of disease after a severe drought? Answer. After severe drought, lack of water supply and sanitation services, malnutrition, displacement, and higher vulnerability of the population all increases the risk of infectious disease such as cholera, typhoid, fever, diarrhea, acute respiratory infectious and meals. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay student, Allah Hafiz, bye.